Today I'm gonna make something on this wooden board. I'm gonna use my Hessian and I'm just gonna cover it like this, and then I will do something on top of this. So I'm gonna just make sure I've got enough material to wrap around my board. So I'm just cutting myself a piece here. Okay, I've just put a piece of plastic down that it don't stick to my paper. So I'm just going to take my brush. I've already thinned it with my water, and I'm just going to brush it onto this wooden board. I don't want to put too much as I'm going to stick it down, but I just want to make sure it doesn't slide off. I'm just going around the corners as well. Okay, now I'm just going to press it down, and I'm just going to cut the corners. I just want to I'm just snipping to the corners. I'm just going to put it face down. I'm just putting on a little bit of glue again at the back. I will maybe take some nails and nail it down also. I'm not sure. I will see how it sticks. Just going to fold that in. I've got a hammer here. I just want to nail in some of these corners, just to make sure they stay down. I'm going to put something heavy on top of it that it can flatten it nice. Okay, this session of mine is dry now. I've got my texture paste 8. I just want to put a little bit of color in the first one, not too much. I'm going to stencil this on top of everything, but I just want to give it a little bit more something at the back. It's maybe almost too much, but so I'm just going to put a little bit of this texture paste here and there. I just want to see. I think that's almost enough. A little bit more texture, and I'm just going to let this dry, and then I'll do my stencil on top of this. Okay, I'm going to put on my stencil now. I've just mixed my texture paste. I haven't put any color with it, and I'm just going to try and put it on thickly. How lovely is that? Just see, I want to do something here also, just a little bit. I'm not going to do anything more than that. Now you can just let it dry and maybe seal it with something if you would like to. Maybe a water-based varnish or something. And then it's finished. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did enjoy it, I will definitely see you next time, and have a lovely day.